With AI tools like ChatGPT, is learning Python still relevant in 2025? With tools like ChatGPT getting more advanced, some might wonder, why learn to code at all? In this video, we're going to explore the role of Python in 2025 and why it remains a vital skill despite the rapid evolution of AI tools. Technological advancements are shaping industries faster than ever, and adapting to these changes is essential. Python has stood the test of time for a reason. Let's uncover why. AI tools like ChatGPT are incredible, but they're not God. They're trained for certain tasks and need guidance to truly excel. They can assist, but they can't replace the problem-solving power of programming. Python isn't just for AI. It's used for web development, data analysis, game development, and more. Its versatility is unmatched. Take data cleaning, for example. While AI might generate some scripts for you, it might not handle edge cases or the needs of your specific dataset. Python, with its precision and flexibility, empowers you to solve these problems efficiently. Python has become the backbone of data science because of its simplicity and powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. It lets you manipulate, analyze, and visualize data seamlessly. Python shines in automating repetitive tasks, from renaming thousands of files to generating custom reports. Python saves time and reduces errors. Just imagine using Pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical computing, or TensorFlow for building AI models, all powered by Python. The real magic happens when you combine Python with tools like ChatGPT. Python acts as the logic layer, refining AI-generated outputs and adding control and context to your workflows. For example, you could use ChatGPT to draft emails, but Python to automate sending those emails based on custom schedules or triggers. Python continues to dominate the job market. Its versatility makes it indispensable in industries like tech, finance, and healthcare. If you're aspiring to be a data scientist, AI engineer, or automation specialist, Python will be your go-to language. But don't stop there, technology evolves. Stay ahead by joining workshops, taking courses, or practicing on coding platforms. So, why is Python still essential? Because it complements AI, drives automation, and offers unmatched versatility. Even in 2025, Python is not just relevant, it's indispensable. Now I would love to hear from you. Do you think Python will remain relevant in your field?